Hello everyone, Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful day and everything is going great for you and you are in the best of health. Today I'm coming with a quick video. It's about some of the things you're going to need when you transition to the Dominican Republic or other countries. First thing on the list you're going to need, and it's going to be the top 3, matter of fact top 4. Top 3 is a bank account. You must establish a bank account when you come to the country. That's going to be very important in your transition. Number 2, you're going to need a place to stay. Can't live on the street. You're going to need somewhere to stay. Number 3 is health insurance. You're going to need some health insurance to get you through it all, okay? And this number 4 only applies to the veterans. Veterans, if you got disability and you're moving here, I'm going to direct you to the Well Vet Center. It's called FMP, Foreign Medical Program, that you can come and get all your medical taken care of. So you that are still living in the matrix and you haven't made up your mind or made a decision about what you're going to do with the rest of your future life, don't forget, you can still transition, move to another country, still get your medical prescription and everything else taken care of, okay? Stay connected to the channel, and I can direct you to the people that you need to talk to so that you can ensure that your future is on the right path. So, this is a quick video to let you guys know the things that you're going to need when you transition to the country, okay? And you can't live a good life or a basic life without any problems without one of these 3 or 4 things in place. So, in the meantime, between the time, remember, life is to be enjoyed. Hit that subscription and notification, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.